of it. So we got these LED replacement headlights off Amazon, and I think they're like 6,000 lumens, something like that. But we do a lot of highway driving, so we wanted, or I wanted, something that would illuminate the road quite adequately at night. So this is what we got. So it's a projector style LED conversion, high and low. It's also got a white daytime running light and an orange park light that you can wire in. Cool. The headlight itself has a 3-pin factory style, and then these are for the DRLs and the park lights. Let's see what we can do. Pretty good fit. Fits in the factory buckets, no modification needed. And the only thing for the park light and the daytime running light, I have to add a couple extra circuits. Now I actually have to do a little bit of wiring to make the park light work and the daytime running light work, but using the jumper wire here, there's our park light, and here is our daytime running light. So the daytime running light we can just wire into ignition, and then this one here we'll wire up to the park lights.